Today, I will guide you on creating a low-poly 3D hand model using Blender software. With just a simple operation, we can transform a basic 3D model like this into a professional one like this with just one click. Are you ready? The first step is to create a simple hand block like this. Pay attention to my mouse and keyboard actions here. First, delete the camera and lights because we don't need them. Click on the cube and press Tab to enter edit mode. Press GZ and numpad 1 to bring the cube to the plane, press S to scale, and press Shift Z so it doesn't affect the Z axis. I will adjust the block a bit. Like this. Press 3 to select the top plane and then press E to extrude it upwards. Move the cursor over the block, press Ctrl R, and scroll the mouse to split the grid. Left-click to adjust its position, right-click to center it. Here, I split it into 4 parts. I will make it thinner, press 3, select the top 4 faces. Then press Alt-E and choose Extrude Individual Faces. Now, I will create the length for the fingers. Select these planes and press GZ. I will separate them a bit by selecting each finger and pressing GX. Next is the thumb, press Ctrl R here, left-click, then right-click to center it. Select this plane and press E to extrude it. Adjust it to look like a thumb. Select the 4 faces and press GZ to lengthen the fingers. Press Ctrl R, scroll the mouse to split into 3 phalanges, left-click, and right-click to center. Do the same for the remaining fingers. Press 2 to select edges, hold Alt and select this edge, then press S to scale it. Next, we will create bones for the hand. Press Shift A and choose Armature. Click on this yellow icon and in Viewport Display, choose In Front to see the bone structure. Select the bone and press Tab to enter edit mode to adjust it. First, I will make it shorter to create the forearm bone. Click on this circle and press E to extrude the bone. You can click on the circle and press E. For these fingers, select the bone and right-click, choose Subdivide. Notice the bottom corner of this image, click on Subdivide and increase the number of cuts to 2, it will split into 3 phalanges for you. Do the same for the other fingers. After creating the bone structure, let's add movement to it. Go to Object Mode, hold Shift, select the hand and bone structure, then press Ctrl P and choose with Automatic Weights to connect the bone structure and the hand. Go back to Pose Mode. Select these bone joints, go to the X-axis view, and rotate them. You can use this tool to rotate more easily. Here, I'll create a simple movement. You can create any movement you want, or follow me. Go to Object Mode, and turn off In Front to hide the bone structure. And now, the important step to turn this rough hand model into a more professional 3D model. Click on the hand, select the wrench icon in light blue. In Add Modifier, choose Subdivision Surface. Increase Levels Viewport to 2 to make it smoother. Right-click and choose Shade Auto Smooth. In the finger grooves, there are folds, so I'll increase Levels Viewport to 3, and you can see it disappears. For this forearm part, to prevent it from rounding, I'll go to Edit Mode, select these edges, press Ctrl B to bevel it. Select additional edges around it and press SX. press 1 to select these 4 points and press S to shrink it to create a wrist joint. I don't want the fingers to be smooth like this, so I'll create additional folds between the finger joints. Go to Edit Mode, press 2 to select edges, hold Alt and Shift to select edges around this finger. Press Ctrl B, then Enter and Tab. So, we have completed a very easy to create low-poly 3D hand model using the Subdivision Surface tool. If you find this tip useful, please like and follow 3D House to support me and learn more useful tips in Blender. Leave your comments, and if you have any great tips, share them with me. Thank you very much for watching.